Things lazy gardeners do. So, see that boulder right there? I wanted to make a path between this planter, this raised planter area here, going out into the yard. But I don't want to have to remove that grassy thing, and I think it would look really nice next to the boulder. I was sitting here thinking, if only that piece of grass was 1.5 feet over, it'd be perfect in the direction of that big boulder. So instead of worrying about removing the grass, which probably wouldn't be that hard, I am going to move the boulder down. And I think that would be good, because I'm going to take a line of rocks across the yard so that I can start terracing. Natural terracing is what I call it. The idea is that you just line rocks up, and you don't want like a big pile of rocks like what's out there. You just want to have, I'm guessing, something like what I've done right there, or just line them up kind of like what the previous owners did up there, because you can tell there's a little bit more height on that other planter, and it still needs a little more filling in. And maybe, I don't know if you need bigger swaths of area for it to be effective, but I'd kind of like to create a bunch of leveled off terraces. So you've got like level 1 up there. Sorry, I'm not watching the video. And then level 2 sort of going across this way. And then this where I'm sitting is level 3. And then sort of like a third and fourth connected level kind of down here. I think that's how I'm gonna handle it, and I think that's gonna be the best thing for the water runoff and everything. I have no idea what it's gonna look like when we have mega snow and rain and all that stuff. But I think it'll be okay. This needs work. It looks pretty good from this end, right? I love looking at it. So cool. All right. So I'll have to do another video where we walk through the dry pond. But really, it's more like a sunken creek bed, because I'm going to make it look very creekish. And there will be a storage shed over there, and another storage shed over here too. And you can see the sunset through the trees right here this way. In fact, when you're sitting over by those bicycles, that's a really nice view of the sunset. And it's nice and shady too. It's great little sunset spot. So I'm very excited, and it's going to be interesting to see how it all works out. I don't want to do too much hard labor type work until after I see the rains, but I definitely want to get, before the rains and the snow run off, I want to have my rock lines in place. And then I can make adjustments in the spring or next fall, just as I go along, because there's plenty to do around here. All right, this is Crystal at the Rain Dance Ranch. It is October 14, 2024. The weather is divine.